channel. So in today's video we are going to be unbagging my February Ipsy bag. So I just signed up for the Ipsy bag plus, whatever, the $25 one. So I should be getting that next month. So I'm excited. It's going to be my first time ever. I did not do a January unbagging because I'm skipping every other month. So this is the $12 bag. So for $12 you will receive 5 deluxe sample size products. Sometimes every once in a while you will get a full size product if you're lucky. But nonetheless, if you're interested in what I received this month for Ipsy, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so like I said, this is $12 a month and you will receive a few items every month. This is like a good alternative to boxycharm if you don't want to go ahead and spend the $25 and you still want to kind of dive into makeup and test new products. I love getting these just simply because I get a lot of sample items and I like to put them in my freelance kit for other people. But yeah, so the first thing I got here, which kind of just flew out of the bag, is this brush, and it comes with a little shaper here. This is a Farrah brush. Okay, it's kind of pretty. I do like it. It's like a rose gold. Okay, so this says it's a flat foundation brush. Now, I don't know. I guess I'll have to mess around with it. It is flimsy, like I'm saying, but who knows? Maybe it will be nice and give a nice flawless look with foundation. But it is pretty, so I do like it. And you can never go wrong with brushes because, like I said, for me personally, the more the merrier, because I can definitely just throw them off in my freelance kit and I'm good to go. As I'm sure you've already seen, because I'm kind of late to the game, the bag this month is super cute. I know there's two variations, so I got this one, and this is sealed with a kiss. So it's pretty cute. It looks like an envelope, which I love, and then it has some lips on the back. But these lips are kind of wonky looking, right? She needs some fillers or something, because they're not cute lips at all. So you open her up like this, and it's kind of pink inside. The paper is here, but they normally don't, they stopped saying what was in the bag. They were doing it for a little while and then they stopped. So okay, so for this bag I did get to pick this item. This is the Pixie Endless Silky Eye Pen, and that's what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you guys if I can get it open. Okay, so this is really pretty. So it's like a mix between a rose gold and kind of a little bit of copper in there. I don't know, it's really weird to explain, but the same color as the actual packaging is what it is. So that's really, really helpful, really nice. I like when products do that. If you haven't watched my boxycharm unboxing, I used this lip liner today and it was just horrible. So this was so creamy, you guys. It felt like butter compared to that dry ass lip liner that I use. If you haven't checked that video out, I'll link it up here for you guys. This product I have here it's Harakaru. I can't even read that because the script is so small. But it's Wander. It says Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner. So that's nice. A little sample of a toner. Can never go wrong with skincare. The next thing we have here is a micro peeling mask, and it says exfoliant. It just says apply to face, avoiding the eye contour area, leave 10 to 15 minutes, rinse, and can be used 1 to 2 times a week. So there's that. So again, like I said, I love receiving skincare. So, and the last thing I got, okay, so this was a really heavy skincare bag. This is the All Night Moisture and Relief Mask. Okay. So yeah, so basically you just, put it on your face and go to sleep. So this is cute. So we got 3 skincare products and then the brush and the pencil that I chose. So not bad, not bad. And like I said, this was $12 a month, so pretty quick. So what I am going to start doing is I'm going to compare the $12 bag to the $25 bag, and I'm going to start doing videos like that. So if that's something you want to see from me, definitely let me know. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and before you head out, don't forget to smash that subscribe button because it's free 99, and I'll see you guys in the next one.